Hey, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to unbox the Wowstick 1F Plus. I'd like to welcome you all to technology. The Wowstick 1F Plus is a precision screwdriver. It's not per se better than other screwdrivers, but it sure is one of the best looking ones. It has its own case, in case you want to bring it with you. In this case, you can carry the screwdriver and 1-bit screw, which you prefer. It's a magnetic case with strong magnets. I hope it had batteries in it so you could use it like a charging case for the screwdriver, but unfortunately it isn't the case. Then there's the base. The base is a small but heavy object where you can stow the screwdriver itself. And like I said for the case itself, it would be great if the base was a charging station of some kind. But that is not the base, case. There are also a couple of accessories inside the box. One of them is a small glass jar with screws in it, but this one was broken on shipment. And there is also a magnetizer inside of the box, which I find very handy when the bits aren't magnetic anymore. You could rub them against the magnetizer and they become magnetic again. The main reason I myself bought this one, because it looks very nice with a matte dark grey color and suits very well on my desk. It fits with all my accessories, which are mostly dark grey. So when you are considering to buy an electric screwdriver, this is a great one. I would recommend it to everyone who needs something like this, mostly to fix electronic devices like smartphones, tablets or computers. The screwdriver isn't suited and hasn't had enough power, for example, to assemble furniture like from IKEA. But it's great for gadgets, that's for sure. Thanks for watching everyone, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.